How to search for a flight on kiwi.com. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can search for a flight on kiwi.com. If you're new to Kiwi or someone recently introduced you to Kiwi and they are wondering how you can search for your site, I'll be showing you how you can do so in this tutorial. So just follow me to the end. Now the first thing to do is to ensure that you create an account with kiwi.com. So once you've created an account, just go ahead and log in into the account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you will brought to the home page where you would see some options by the left, such as the logo, the travel option, cars, stays, stories, travel acts, deals. And then by the right side, you will see the currency option, the help and support option, the profile option, and then three dashes also by the right. So once you've seen all of this, in the middle of the screen, you would see a box. Okay, now in this box, you would see the return option. Now this return is to decide the kind of flight you want to enter. Is it the return flight, the one-way flight, multi-flight? Then you have to select the kind of flight as well. Is do you want an economy or first class? Select it, and then if you want to add more passengers, you can add them here as well as more bags. And then finally, in the box displayed, you have to select your location. Okay, where are you coming from, and then where are you going to? Just select this and edit this to suit um your needs. And then here you have to set a date of dispatch of departure. All right, when do you want to leave, when are you going, where? Just select it, and then return date, you can select it and then click on set date. And then once that is done, click on the search option. So once you click on the search option, the flights available would be searched for automatically. And if any sites, any flights available within those days, you would see the flights being displayed here. Currently there are no flights available, so the next option is to go back, or you can just stay on this page if you want to as well, and then change the departure as well as the return time, and then click on search again. And then once you've changed it and you click on search, the available site of available flights, sorry, will be displayed and made available to you. It's that simple. Okay, so this is how you can search for flights on kiwi.com. Very simple and direct. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.